How to save videos in Zoomerang. So hey guys, today's video I'll be teaching you how to save some videos in Zoomerang. To save a video in Zoomerang, all we need to do is choose a video. But quick tip for you guys, not all videos can be saved here at Zoomerang. So yeah, so that would be a problem for a few guys. So yeah, not all videos can be saved here at Zoomerang. So I suggest choosing a video that can be saved. So here I'm going to teach you how to save a video in Zoomerang. All you need to do is press on a video, for example right here. So we're just gonna pause on that right there. There you go, it's paused right now. Now if you want to save the video right here, all we need to do is click on the share icon right here on the bottom right. After pressing on that right there, you will see a save right there. There you go, press on the save right there. As you can see right now, it is now saving. So there you go, there's a percentage. Once it reaches 100%, we have now saved a video in Zoomerang. Now let's say you press the wrong button, you don't want to save that video. All we need to do is click on the X on the top right corner of the circle. Once you click on the X, it will be automatically cancelled and it will not be downloaded in your photo gallery, so you don't have to worry when downloading something. So yeah, there you go guys, that's how it works here at Zoomerang. That's how you download a video here at Zoomerang. And another tip for you guys before I go, a quick tip for you guys, you can allow or not allow in your settings. If you're the ones gonna post it, like post a video or whatnot here at Zoomerang, you can just not allow people to download your video for their use or something like that. So yeah, there you go guys. I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoy. If you have any questions or concerns, you can type it down in the comment section below guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible here. How to rock it guys. So there you go guys, and thank you guys.